Wow. Can't see it. There we go. Wow. Get a pretty good picture. It's kind of choppy, but this is the result of our second blizzard in as many weeks. I guess, well, it's been probably about 2.5 weeks since the first one, but oh boy. I don't know if you get a good shot of this. If I close the door a little bit. That's a solar light. That thing standing free is about 1.5 feet tall, and it's almost completely buried. Our steps are almost unidentifiable here. Step leading into the house. Can't even tell there's a step there, really. Oh boy, fun, fun, fun. Shovel, shovel, shovel. Maybe. Kind of a cool picture, though. Winter Wonderland. This is the definition of it right here. Alright, I'm going inside. It's cold out here. I'm not even outside and it's cold.
Wow, this is the coolest thing ever!